everyone, today's video is being done for the May the 4th Be With You 5th Annual Crossover Collaboration. This collaboration is being hosted by It's Art by Donna and includes many other artists where we'll be combining Star Wars and Star Trek. I'm going to be doing a piece for Star Wars. Before me was Tim Watkins, Bass Resonator, and I would like to thank him for the introduction. After me will be Holly from Holly Fisher Art. Please make sure to watch all of the videos in the collaboration as everyone has worked really hard on this. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm going to be making a foam clay Yoda. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Yoda trained Jedi for over 800 years and played integral roles in the Clone Wars and the instruction of Luke Skywalker. Just going to start by putting this around the head. Just cover all that foil and get a basic round shape for the head, and use my hands to do that. Okay, that's the head. Okay, so now the body, I'm gonna do the same.
In a distant sky with stars alight, darkness rises but will ignite. Blasters blazing through the night, fighting for what we know is right. The rebel heart, it beats so strong, among the stars where we belong. The force is with us all along. In this fight we sing our song. We rise, we soar like falcons in flight. Through endless wars we shine so bright. For every shadow there's a light. Stand tall and fight for what is right. Through cosmic storms and endless voids, we'll repair what darkness destroyed. United forces.
Yoda is a small, green humanoid alien who is powerful with force and is a leading member of the Jedi Order. He is a Jedi Grand Master and the leader of the Jedi Council. Yoda is both exceptionally old and exceptionally powerful. So powerful, in fact, that Yoda could easily be given the title of the most powerful Jedi in the movie franchise.
Destiny's choices finally made, a legacy we've engraved.
Yoda is wise, Yoda is powerful, and Yoda is a skilled fighter. Yoda is 900 years old. Paint behind where his little eyeball is gonna go. It's gonna be his little outfit. So I'm going to put out right here.
Shattered air, echo shadow, we still dare. Arms stretched wide, we face the storm. Blaze through chaos, hearts transform. We rise, we rise. Our banners high across the stars, through space we fly. No force too great, no wrong too vast.
Okay, so I got my little markers here, and I think that actually the green looks better than the white, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in. Luke found Yoda in a frail state. His age has already gotten to him and he was dying. Yoda confirmed that Luke's training was done but that he wouldn't become a Jedi until he finally confronted and defeated Darth Vader. Soon after that, Yoda peacefully passed away at the age of 900 and became a Force ghost.
The galaxy calls with silent screams. We answer back with endless might. Charging ahead, our goal in sight. We rise. We rise. Our banners high across the stars. Through space we fly. No force too great. No wrong too vast. We hold the line until the last.
Here's my little Yoda. I really do love how he came out. I hope you do too. I think he's super cute. And I want to say thank you to Donna for inviting me to participate in this collaboration. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please make sure to check out all of the videos on the playlist. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please go ahead and head over to Holly Fisher Art, where her video will be next.